Ever found yourself in the frustrating situation where Chatiw stops working? Well, you're not alone in this digital debacle. This video will unveil a wealth of practical solutions to get your Chatiw back on track. Before we delve into the solutions, understand that knowing the problem is the first step towards resolving it. One of the primary culprits behind the Chatiw not working is often a poor internet connection. An unstable connection could lead to Chatiw server malfunctions, creating a frustrating user experience. Ensuring you're in a strong network zone is crucial. Remember, a sturdy internet connection paves the way for uninterrupted conversations. Outdated apps often encounter compatibility issues, leading to functionality problems, but fear not, your trusty guide is here to help you navigate through this. To kickstart the process, let's update your Chatiw app. Head to your device's app store, search Chatiw, and don't hesitate to tap that update button. Embrace the new, my friends, for it often brings better functionality and fewer bugs. Next, let's clear out the old and make room for the new. Accumulated cache and data can slow down your app and cause glitches. Navigate to your device settings, find the app manager, locate Chatiw, and clear its cache and data. Let's give your app a fresh start. Now, let's check your device for any crucial updates that you might be missing out on. Head to your device settings, find System Updates, and hit that update button. And if all else fails, remember, it's okay to start anew. Uninstall Chatiw, then reinstall it from your app store. Sometimes a clean slate is all you need to restore the app's functionality. Still, have some burning questions? Let's put those concerns to rest. The cause behind your Chatiw app's hiccup could range from a weak internet connection to an outdated app or even accumulated cache. Perhaps your device's operating system needs an update. Remember, understanding these common concerns is the key to resolving them. So the next time your Chatiw app throws a tantrum, you'll know just how to soothe it. Don't let a simple glitch stand in the way of your seamless communication experience.